is the best fudge brownie recipe, moist and gooey. If you like, you can add some nuts into the recipe or chocolate chip and try to have it with vanilla ice cream. It's delicious. Welcome to Kish Pastry. First, melt the chocolate on a simmering pan of water. Now I'm going to beat this butter and sugar together. And meantime, I'm going to shift this plain flour, cocoa powder and baking powder together. Beat the batter until light and pale in color. This is the creaming method. I'm going to scrape the bowl now. Now I'm going to add the eggs. I got egg yolk and egg separate. Let all the eggs mix well with the batter. I add all my dry ingredients into the bowl and mix. Now I just add the chocolate. Mix well the batter. This recipe is really easy. I line my tray with the parchment paper and I'm going to pour all my mix. Spread it evenly and bake this at 160 for 25 minutes. Brownie is ready. I'm going to leave this to cool down and I'm going to chill this in the fridge. You will see the brownie is a bit soft, but this is going to set because it's contain a lot of chocolate and butter. When the brownie is chilled, it's easy to take out of the tray and easy to slice it. I just warm it up in the microwave before I serve and scoop of vanilla ice cream and some chocolate sauce, nuts. All this goes well with this brownie. It's soft and gooey. Made this dark chocolate cigar to go on top. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it. If you got any questions, leave it in the comments. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it. And I'll see you in next video.